Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and today I have another special video for you guys. I know some of you all have been waiting for this. This is the tutorial where I show you guys how to make these fabric chargers. I made these in the exact same way as I made the ones that I used for my Thanksgiving tablescape, and if you want to know how I made them, please keep watching. So what I used for the base was white duck cloth or denim fabric. I pick up these remnants from Hobby Lobby. They always have them on hand, and you can get them a lot more cheaper if you go to the remnant aisle. Now all I did was I took one of my everyday Korean, plates from my kitchen, and I just basically traced out circles until I had enough settings. And I have a 6 setting table, so I did 6. Now I had this 1 yard of this white and navy chevron fabric for a while, and I wasn't sure what to do with it, but it actually turned out to be the best for this project because you don't need more than a yard. Now, what I did was I folded the fabric over on itself, and I cut 3.5-inch strips, just like I did for my tablecloth pleats. But I made sure to fold the fabric over so that when I cut the 3.5-inch strips, they were on the longer side of the fabric, so the strips were long. I hope that makes sense. And then after all 6 round circles and 6 pleats were cut, it was time to put them together. So next it was time to hem one side of those 3.5-inch strips. And again, I use those little clips that I use for my tablecloth as well. I love them, you guys. No pricks. Alright, so after you hemmed one side, you're going to take that unfinished side and you are going to pin it to the white round part of the placemat. Just make sure that the fabric is facing in. Now for this, it is easier to use the pins, and I basically just eyeballed the spacing between the pleats. I kept it pretty informal, and that strip, if you have 1 yard and you cut it along the long side of the fabric, it will go all the way around with these pleats and fit perfect. Now when you reach the end and you have the area where the 2 ends are going to meet, you're going to want to sew those 2 ends first and then create your pleat. Now, once those ends are sewed together, make sure you pin down that pleat and hide that seam inside the pleat like I did on my tablecloth. I'm going to go ahead and make sure to include a link to that tutorial so you can use that as a reference as well. And then just sew all the way around the perimeter. Now this is what it looks like right after I sewed those 2 pieces of fabric together. Now this is a step that I did not get to show on my tablecloth tutorial, and it's where I serged those 2 ends that I had just sewed together. Now this is going to prevent the fabric from fraying, and these are chargers that will go on a table, so they might get dirty and you may need to wash them. So that's why I did this. If you don't have a serger, it's okay. You can always use the zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. And here is how it looked after I ran it through the serger. And then I basically ironed out the fabric, and I made sure that the underneath portion flipped outwards, as you see right here. Now I didn't do anything else to this placemat underneath. I pretty much left it like this. You can always add more fabric to give it a more finished look, but nobody should be coming over our homes and flipping over our chargers to see if they're, finished on the inside. And if we have people like that, then maybe they shouldn't be coming over. You can also add another stitch around the inside perimeter of the pleat to match the outside hem. And then here is my daughter and I putting together another table setting using these particular chargers. guys, I love how these turned out. They look so nice. And you can make them in any color or pattern you want. And here is the comparison of both tablescapes that I created with my different fabric chargers. I'll link to the one on the left. That's actually my Thanksgiving tablescape. And as you can see, I actually placed another set of white chargers on top of the fabric one. And then I added a plate and a napkin with a pumpkin. On the right though, I did not put another charger on top of that brown fabric charger. I actually put a bamboo placemat underneath it. I put a plate directly on top of the fabric charger, and then I added a salad plate on top of that. So you can see here that right away you have a ton of possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Now I know these are two different settings for two different occasions, but I'd love to know which one is your favorite below in the comments. Both of these are very inexpensive table settings with items from Dollar Tree or Walmart or even IKEA, and I'm considering doing one for Christmas as well, and if you'd like to see it, please make sure to let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!